this is Cajun DIY Diva, and today we are at the Remington Suites and Spa in downtown Shreveport. So we are in a standard king room. We've got this guy. So you walk in this little hallway. There's a mirror, TV cabinet, another little table with a bench. You have a bench on the end of the bed, king size bed, bathroom, closet, and there is looks like a Keurig and a refrigerator, and this interesting window looks out onto the hall because this hotel used to be a warehouse. So let's check out the bathroom. I'm looking for a light. There you go. So there you have a nice bench under the vanity. We have some products here. Let's check these out. And this little thing. And let's check out the bath. There is a cabinet here. There's your blow dryer. So that's some extra storage. And a bathtub, kind of an old school bathtub. Looks like it has jacuzzi jets. And your potty. Let's check out these products. And we'll check out this old school jacuzzi tub, which I think I will not be using. Kind of cool, industrial. You can see remnants of the old warehouse. Nice big shower head. And this room is called the 22 Wyeth, named after the artist. So this has normal ceilings. So this is Cajun DIY Diva at the Remington Suites in Shreveport.